Now there's also some more advanced options. So let's click Advanced. So in here, we can specify if we want to include or not include different connectors. So this could be our source connector or our different destination connectors. So say we just want to see our source connector. We can hit OK. And we can search again. And it's going to be just our source connectors. Let's go back to Advanced. And you can also select all or deselect all. So we'll select all again. We could also search for a specific type of message ID. So say we just wanted 2 through 6. Let's enter in 2 to start and 6 to end. Press OK. And with search, we'll only have 2, 3, and 6. You can also do that with the original ID, the import ID, server ID, and sending attempts. Also, if we wanted to see all the messages that had an error, we can click that, go OK. We just get error messages. So let's delete these. Press OK. Go back to the default. So we have these different custom metadata table columns. So this is going to allow us to filter and sort based on these columns. We specify these in our channels. Source and type is just what Mirth gives us. So we can also use the advanced filtering feature to filter through these columns. Go to Advanced. Down at the bottom, we can see the metadata. So we can hit New. And you can see we have source and type here. These correspond to these two columns. So let's move this over. And let's say we wanted to see all the messages from a specific source. So we'll see XYZ _ hospital. We could ignore case or make it case specific. Let's click out of that so it saves. And then we'll click OK. And search. You can see that we have all the messages from XYZ hospital. You can also combine them and have another filter option. So say we just wanted the SIU S12 messages from XYZ hospital. Click out and then OK. And search. And you can see that we just have that message. So there's operators in here that we can say contains, does not contain, starts with, does not start with, ends with, does not end with. These are pretty self-explanatory. But say we wanted to get all the messages that are ADTs. So we could say where the type starts with ADT. So we only have one that starts with an ADT. We could also do source, or source contains, let's say, hospital. Okay. Search. So we have all of those hospitals messages in our metadata table. So let's delete that. And also, there's some content types. So say we wanted the raw, and if the raw contains MSH. We can also view it by the content type and what they contain. So you can see that every one of these messages has MSH. Now if we get rid of that row and search again, you can see that our error message didn't appear because we didn't have MSH in the content.